Alright, so hopefully the fan noise isn't going to bug you guys, but I figured I'd inform you of my newest little problem. And I'll kind of show it in a video, I think, but bike was running fine. The other night I was coming home and I decided to haul some ass. Some newer Camaro was trying to hold with me, I'll say barely. But when I was backing off the throttle or rolling off and kind of engine braking, I was getting a weird fluttering sound. And the whole time I'm either cussing my wastegate because either it felt like it wasn't opening and it was kind of fluttering open and closed, or I was blaming my camshafts. I was like, probably my freaking stupid camshaft sprockets rotated a little bit again, or at least not the whole sprocket, but just the rings where you bolt them down. Well, I figured I started taking it apart. I was getting ready to check all the valves and springs and cams. And I just happened to notice something when I pulled the intake off. So let me see if I can get this off, and I'll show you. But essentially, this first vacuum line right there had come off the motor. I don't know how. Maybe because I was searching for vacuum lines for my wastegate, trying to track stuff down, that it may have popped off, or maybe it got popped off under high boost. I don't know, but anyway, I found it off. I put it back on, started the bike. It's running much smoother, much more normal, so I'm gonna give it a shot. I hope that was my fix, but that's the newest little problem I've had. And of course it takes me 3 hours because I got to take apart the whole bike, all the plastics, and find that. Anyway, on to the next thing.